Alright, here we have an original Montgomery elevator. The column's covered by tape. That doesn't work. Damn, Montgomery elevator, that's original in a subway station. This is the Davis station in Boston. Alright. We're gonna end it down on the platform levels. This is a weird button right here. What the fuck? Interesting. I don't understand how this is still original. This thing must have taken a lot of beat. Some of the buttons are replaced too. Anyways, that will be it.